So now in last our video, we learned that about Git installation. First I will open command prompt. So I will check that Git version. Is that Git installed? So yeah, Git is installed. So what I will do, I will go to for G drive. Okay, and then I will explain you also how we can go and check that with using Git bash prompt. So that we will learn. Okay. So now first I came to the drive. And I will try to create that one directory. Okay, so make dir and I will give name as project git. Okay, so now if I go here and I try to replace this one, so I have created now project git. Okay, so now I will minimize this and I will show you how to use that git bash. Any one of them will work. So now right click and you can see that git bash here. Okay, so now it looks similar to this and we are inside this folder. So I can put that git person whatever we are checking command prompt. Okay, so that also working. First thing, now we will start with git init. Okay, so it's already initialized that git in this folder. Okay, so we can see, okay, everything, there is no check. Now we will try to see that git status without doing any changes. So no command, no commit yet. Okay, since we have not created any file, so now first I will go and try to create one text file. We can create any file. Right now I am creating one text file abc and then I'm adding it one and saving this out. Okay, now if I go and see that git status, if I can use like this up arrow, then it will show us. So we can see that now it's showing that one file is there, that there are changes. So now what I can do, I can go ahead and I can add that file. So I can use that git add, okay, and abc.txt. Okay, so it's added. Now if I go ahead after this and I will put that git commit, okay, -m, and then I can pass that first. Okay, so I'm passing that comment whatever we wanted to see, how it's going to see. So if I do that, so now we can see that one file changed and it's showing it here. So now if I go and check that git log, okay, so it's saying that one file is got committed. See that who is that author that to commit, and this name right now I added some random email ID. We can add that correct email ID. Then it will display that correct email ID here, and then it's displaying that date, which date it's got changed, and what is that comment it's passed for this one. Okay, since we right now did for one, if we do other one and then we can see that. So what I can do, I will add one new file and then I will modify that same file. So now suppose if I do xyz, okay, and I will put here xyz inside and I will save this. In abc, in place of 1 I will add 2 3 as well, and I will save this file as well. So now if I go and see that git status, so now we saw that two file, one is saying that modified and one is newly added. So the last time we did that git.add and then file name. So it's going to add only one file, but if we have more than one file to a stage to push that to our repository, so what we can do for this one, we have that other command git.add space dot. So which all file got changed, if you put that dot, it will automatically push to one staging file. So if I do that, so it's done. Now if I go ahead and put that git commit, so now in place of typing, if you can use that up arrow, so you can see that everything will come. Okay, whatever we did that before. So now what I will do, I will do that second time I'm doing commit, so I will put that in there. Okay, so now it's already successfully done, it's showing that. Okay, so now if I go and see that git log, so now we can see that git log is saying there are two check-ins, first commit and second commit, and that date as well, it's showing it there. So now we saw that two files with that change. Okay, so suppose now I wanted to see that what all changes I did for this ABC file. Okay, so how I can see that what are those changes are there. Okay, so what I can do, I will go here git log, okay, -p, and then file name. So file name, if I put abc.txt. So what I try to understand now, since I did that two file, two times I updated. First time I have value of 1, second time I added 2 and 3. So as we know that what we try to achieve here, that git is that version control, so it's need to store all those previous value and whatever changes we are doing. So now since it's there is not UI friendly, so we have to write that command and see that what all are changes. If we integrate this with GitHub, then we have different file versions. So if we can download that file, we can see what all codes are there before. So now here we are going to understand that what we added in this file or what we removed. So those things, if you put that this command, we can see that. So now if I put that here, first I need to select this, and now if I put that, so now you can see that if I can make this little bit up. Okay, so it's saying that one commit is there, that name with that second. Okay, and what it's showing, -1 was there. Okay, that got deleted, and +1 to 3 got added. Okay, so in this way we can see that what are changes we did here. Okay, in that first, second, and all the other things. So now if I can go ahead and close this. Okay, and if I go ahead and add one more file, this time I close that because it's not necessary that git bash need to be open. Okay, so I will add 568, and then I will do that save and close that. Now again we can open that git bash once we complete all our work, and then we can go ahead and put that git dot add a space dot whatever changes we did, it will add it there. And now then git uh, git commit -m. Okay, and then this time I'm doing third file, so I will put that third. Okay, and if I put that git dot log, okay, now it's showing first, second, and third. 3 times we did that check-in. So in the same way, now we'll go and we'll try to see that log of that file pmabc.txt. Okay. So now we can see that 1, 2, 3 was there. Okay, in third comment, and then it's what we did, we removed. It's always saying 1, 2, 3 got removed, but 1, 2, 3 is there. It's basically going to tell whatever there before our change and whatever after our change. So everything it's saying it's removed, and what all we added, it's going to tell that it's got added. Okay, so in this way we can see that what all changes we are doing compared to last version, that what all changes we did that. Okay, in our file. So for this, for I hope this all those things you understand, and for this one you use that git. Now in next video we'll try to understand how to integrate git with GitHub. Then in place of saying that log file, we have all those file each person that is hosted in our web server, and we can download each of those files here. Since we have that one or two line code showing that, so it looks okay. But if we have larger code, we cannot compare like this one. That's why we can use that server to host it, and then we can see that difference. Okay, so I hope you understand this till here. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.